So guys, yeah, we've got the master air screw on the quick release there today, so we're going to see how it goes, see how it flies. I'm just setting it up, so I'm waiting for satellites. And we've got 15, so it shouldn't be too long. So the battery temperature is a bit low, so we have to wait for that. The only thing this time of year is when the batteries are low. You've got to wait for them to warm up. Look, there we go. Ready to go, it says now, so that's good. So we'll hit the takeoff button and we'll slide it over. I don't know if you can see that, probably not, but here we go. And that's with the new adapters I put on for the master air screw. I've changed my mind about the caps. I thought, well, they're okay. I've flown it out over a mile, but again, kept hearing that clicking noise, so I wanted to make sure I got rid of that. So let's bring it down a bit and let me show you what I mean about these props and the clearance now. So I want to show this because everybody says, oh, it doesn't click, it doesn't click. Well, it won't click now. Look at the clearance you've got there on them props. Perfect. The wind's blowing in, so it's reacting a little bit, but that is lovely now. No point in touching that. It's going to touch the body at all now. Nice and clear. Yes, they have stepped up, but the fronts have stepped up a little bit as well, so in effect they're at the same level as where they would be if they were screwed directly on. But the difference is it cannot get under the wind now and hit that body and then cause a jolt, and it looks like there's a problem with the gimbal. There is no problem with the gimbal at all. It's just when it hits the body, it creates like a knocking effect. But there's no clicking, that's the main thing, see? There's no clicking there. The wind's pushing it, that's fine. But there you go, so that's perfect. Okay, so I've initiated the return to home. I'm going to leave the RC there, just see where it lands. If it lands in the grass, it's just been cut, I might just lift it up, but I don't really want to touch the sticks. I'd prefer it to come back on its own and land on the pad. We'll see. But anyway, these props are doing really well today, so I'll leave that there. Let's look for the drone now. Should see it in a second. There it is there. You probably can't see it because it's too far away for the action cam, but yeah, she's going to come down now and we'll see it in a second. So she's a bit way off, I think, but we'll see. It says landing pad detected, so hopefully we're all good. I've got the landing gear on with the two LEDs on, which helps as it starts to get low light like this. So yeah, let's see where it goes anyway. So got the landing gear, it doesn't really matter, so props are high enough now. I'm just going to bring that down and see how it goes. But lovely little drone this, and I will suggest this to you: if you're going to buy a cheap drone, buy this one. This is probably one of the best drones you're going to get for the money. And there we go. That's on the pad. The controller's over there, and it's found itself. There's no jitter in the gimbal. There's no issues. It's landed on its own on there. Job's a good one. So yeah, this one's the FIMI Mini 3, not the SE. This one's got the electric master air screw with the quick fit put them on. So running the white battery. You probably already heard on my channel if you follow me, I did have an orange battery go bad, so I'm down on one battery. So far FIMI haven't offered me another battery yet, but there we go. But it ain't worth keeping these batteries that start ballooning up and failing. You're better off just getting rid of them and buying another battery, which I will have to do at some point. But anyway, that's all ready to go on the pad. It's turned on. The remote's on. Let's just connect the cable into the RC. Clip my lanyard on, which frees my hands up. And I fitted a lanyard on, guys, with a cable tie, to be honest, but it does do the trick for me. When you're filming on your own, you just want to take your hands off the lanyard like that, just so you can touch the drone and stuff, and everything's good. So yeah, let's bring that on. Enter device, it's all set up, so I'm going to go over to the drone now. I'm going to go take off. Let's put my lights on to start with. That's good, there we go. And we should be ready. Here we are, ready to take off. So just press the button, scroll it across. There we go. And I think it actually sounds better than with these props on, you know. Sounds really nice, it's nice and steady. Got a bit of a wind blowing through, but it's not too bad. Got to say, these electric master air screws, put on the quick release. That's both from the drones now and the version 2. We've all got it now. And nice and clear on the back there, no problem. And a nice and steady hover. We'll take it back and up, and we just set the camera up, guys, so we can free my hands up to control the drone. But aggressive little sods, aren't they, these FIMIs? I will say that the DJI, it's not as aggressive. These are quite aggressive, I find, you know. I think it's just the speed they're set at, you know. Whereas DJI, you sort of build that speed up as you go out. These, it's like boom, on, and it's there, you know. So I do tend to drop the speed down in the app a little bit, actually, sometimes. So let's just drop that speed down. That's set on 14 meters per second, so I'll drop that speed down to about 10 meters per second. It should help us make a steadier hover then as well, you know. But, yeah, not quite as aggressive now, even on the drone going out. There it is. It's still quite aggressive. Bring it back in.
Drone, amazing drone.
Anyway, there you go. I can't say any more about it really. It's all good. There you go. Another successful flight with the FIMI with the master air screw on.